Welcome back to the Tisomeglia Italia video blog. September 21st marks a special holiday in the world of tea, International Chai Day. When we think of India, one of the first images that comes to mind is chai, the spiced tea served piping hot on every street corner. But chai isn't just Indian. There are variations in Sri Lanka, Kashmir, and Pakistan as well. Today I'm taking you on a journey into the world of chai, exploring its unique traditions and flavors. The word chai simply means tea, but in India, Masala Chai refers to black tea boiled with spices, sugar, and milk. The classic ingredients are strong black tea, often Assam if you don't have high-quality chai, or a CTC, whole milk, sugar, and a blend of spices called masala, which usually includes cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, and black pepper. The preparation is simple yet fascinating. Some people boil water, tea, and spices first, then add the milk and sugar, let it simmer a bit longer, and strain it. But the more traditional chai has the milk boiled directly with the spices, to which the tea and sugar are then added. At the end, it's strained and poured back and forth between containers to mix it well and develop the foam. The result is a thick, sweet, and spicy drink that warms both body and soul. What an aroma! There isn't just one kind of chai. In India, every region has its own blend, more ginger in the north, more cardamom in the south. In Sri Lanka, chai is often lighter, with less milk, more tea leaves, and a fresher taste. In Kashmir, on the other hand, there's noon chai or pink chai, a green tea with baking soda, salt, and milk, which takes on a pink color. Here, the chai is salty, served with bread and dried fruit. But I'll talk specifically about this tea in a different video. In northern India, it's very common to add saffron to chai as well. In Pakistan, chai is similar to the Indian version, but with even more sugar and often with the addition of star anise or chopped pistachios. The closer you get to the Middle East, the more tea is served simply with cardamom, pistachios, almonds, and rose petals. Chai is not just a drink, it's a social moment. Of course, you can prepare chai with your favorite spices, or you can make it the way I often do, using pre-mixed tea blends, like the one sold by Gardenia, for example, which you see in the video and which also contains saffron. Naturally, you can also choose to prepare it in the traditional way. Or as I often do, you can make it in a healthier way, either by adding sugar and milk or leaving them out. Or, if you have issues, you can substitute the milk with plant-based alternatives. In India, there are chaiwalas, street vendors who serve tea in small glass cups or in terracotta or disposable cups, a custom that comes from the clear division between the castes in Indian society. Stopping for a chai is a daily ritual, an opportunity for meeting and sharing. In Pakistan, chai is at the heart of hospitality. If you are a guest, you will always be offered a steaming cup. In Kashmir, pink tea accompanies celebrations and family gatherings. So from the spiced Indian masala to the salty pink chai of Kashmir, the world of chai is rich and surprising. Which variety intrigues you the most? Let me know in the comments, and if you want more tea stories from around the world,